how to start a YouTube channel in 2024, or how to start a YouTube channel for beginners in 2024. So these are list of things you should do if you wanted to start a YouTube channel in 2024. And bear in mind, this is a very good something that you are going to learn, and it's going to put you on track if you wanted to start a YouTube journey in 2024. Now let's get started. If you are new, do kindly well subscribe to my channel. My name is Ishmael, and I share tips on how to grow your channel and also how to make money online. So this channel is broad. So if you are not watching this video from what you wanted to learn, you might ended up checking out the channel to see more of my kind of videos. All right, so the first thing first you have to do is, we all know how to create a YouTube channel. The requirements needed to create your YouTube channel is what? You only need an Gmail, or we call it email, electronic mail, something like disposalcap@gmail.com. You are done. So if your name is Ishmael like me, the email can be ishmael@gmail.com. You are done. Make sure you verify it with your number in case of incasity. You can just log in into your account. That is what we needed. After we are done with the after we are done with creating your Gmail, so these are things you need to put down together before starting a YouTube channel in 2023. Number one is to define your niche. What do you want to post? What will you want to be posting on a YouTube channel? That is number one. First thing first. So for example, if I wanted to start this, before I started my YouTube channel, I was thinking of posting a gaming content, because at then gaming content was one of the best. But after I sat down create the channel, almost I realized that it wasn't the best option for me, because becoming a gamer, you must be ready to update games anytime it changes. So for example, if I've been playing PS 2024 on this channel, and when we go to 2025, I hope all my subscribers expect me to buy the 2025 one, which is the new edition, because they cannot still be watching the old one that I've been playing all the time. So I realized that, okay, I might not ended up affording the money to buy that thing in every year. So I changed. Now I choose what? How to make money on this channel. So I started with affiliate marketing, moved to Amazon KDP, and I now decided to post a variety of contents that will bring a large number or large subscribers to my YouTube channel. So number one is to define your niche. Number two is to choose a name. Now, how do we choose a name? You can either choose to go with your name, just your name. That means when you go with your name, it means you'll be posting a large number of content, not just a large. It will be like this channel you are watching this video on. You can see me that today I'm posting about how to start a YouTube channel. Tomorrow I'm posting about how to create a gaming content. And the next day you are seeing me, I'm talking about how to grow your TikTok account. You can see there are different type of content. That's why I use my personal name, and that simplify that. The channel wasn't based on one content. Okay. So for example, if I wanted to sell something like this microphone, that is what I wanted to do on this channel. I'm going to name this channel what? Buy your microphone. So if I name the channel Buy Your Microphone, anyone who type microphone, the word microphone, I think my channel is going to pop up. Okay. If I wanted to be selling phone cover, I can say something like legit phone cover. So when I type, anyone who type the word phone cover, I think my channel is going to pop up. So with that one, I'm selling based on brand. It is one product. So you must know how to choose your channel name. All right, number three on the list is to set your account. So on this number 3, set your account, I will be doing next video on how you can set your account from scratch to finish. I'll be doing tutorial video on that, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notification for that particular video. And the number 4 also is to how to customize your YouTube channel. How to customize your YouTube channel. I will be dropping video on that as well. Okay, I'll be dropping a full tutorial video on that as well. But to customize your YouTube channel, they are talking about how to create your banner, how to create your channel logo, how to set up your description and all of that. That is what we call the customize your channel, and this need tutorial. So I'm just listing out the point now, and I might ended up picking them one by one in the next video to elaborate on them. Now we move on to the 5th one, which is plan your content. Now when they said plan your content, you need what? A pen and a paper or your phone book note. I know we guys now we don't use pen and paper, but trust me, I still use my pen and paper. Now we use our notes on our phone to do everything, but this one you need pen and paper. Sit down and plan your content. Now someone will ask me, how do I plan my content? It simply means, let's say I'll be posting 2 times in a week, posting 1 time in a week, posting 1 in a month. So that is what you need to sit down and plan. Know when to post and when your subscribers are online. Now we move to number 6. You have to create and upload videos. That one you get it from define your niche. When you define your niche, you know the kind of video to create and how to post them. There is no way I'm going to show you how to create a video because I don't know your niche. Okay, now that one is up to you. Now number 7, which is the most important one. Okay, now you need to listen and listen attentively. Number 7 says optimize your video for SEO. Now this is where I get confused in my YouTube journey. Now some of you might not know me. You might also see that my channel is not growing so well. That is because I did not do number 5, which is to plan my content. Okay, I did not do that. And you ask me why, I will tell you I have several channels. Which are monetized. So because they are monetized, I know I'm going to get money from there. I'm going to get revenue from there. So I concentrate on them more than what this one. So this one also come to a time where I need to concentrate on it as well. So that's why you see me sitting down today to record video on this channel. Now the SEO is what rank your video at the top, and I'll be doing another video. So in this particular video, I'm giving you 3 key videos that I will be doing. Number 1 is how to set up your YouTube account 2024. Number 3 is how to customize your channel, and then number 4 is how to optimize your YouTube video for SEO. And then number 8 is as simple as that. You've already created your video, have your SEO put under the description and all of that. Now the next thing you need to do is to promote the channel. And to promote the channel is very simple. Share it with family and friends. If you are crazy, if your mental problem is on, share it with family and problem. The reason why I said that is when you share the channel with your family and friends, they subscribe. Yes, they don't watch your videos. They will subscribe, but they will not watch your video. So instead of sharing it with family and friends, rather look for people who are interested in the content that you plan to be posting and share the channel with them. I also recommend you post any kind of content from start. By the time the channel got monetized, then you know who your subscribers are and you know what to post on daily basis. So that's what I have for you today. And if you are someone who like what I did here, kindly do subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, and drop in a comment section The three things that I've mentioned, which of them should I do first? Set up your YouTube account 2024, how to customize your channel, or how to customize your YouTube channel in 2024, and then the number three is how to optimize your video for SEO in 2024. Do one of these, comment it under the video, and I'll be dropping a full tutorial on that. That's all for today. My name is Ishmael, and see you in the next video.